It's not eaten. Look, you are pretending to be me. The children in the yard were diagnosed with coccidia and hookworms. We dare not relax for a moment. Every day when I come to the courtyard, I clean and disinfect it first. Clean all the pots, bowls, and basins that your furry children may use. The feces of furry children should be cleaned up in time. Avoid repeated infection by stepping on them. After cleaning, change the water for each of the fur children. Many furry children are very naughty. After adding clean water, they ran into the basin and made trouble. Causes clean water to suddenly become turbid. So we have to change the water for our fur kids several times a day. The heavy rain is still falling with no sign of stopping. The anthelmintics that we and our fans' families bought for our furry children have all arrived. Even in the rain, you should still deworm your furry children. Calculate your child's weight and medication dosage. Convenient for next medication feeding. Mao Mao is the most obedient one in our courtyard. The anthelmintic medicine is also taken smoothly. Duo Duo has always been very well behaved. Although the medicine is very bitter and hard to eat, but Duo Duo was sensible and swallowed all the medicine in one gulp. The weight of the big cow is heavier. Take 2 pills. Even 2 big bulls don't back down. Eat them all. Gwegwe is younger and more naughty. I am full of refusal to take medicine. We had to take coercive measures to ensure that the medicine was taken. Although Bekbeng is small, he is the oldest furry kid in our yard. Never worry about taking medicine. Xiao Hei is young and quite naughty. But Xiao Hei is still relatively obedient to taking medicine. Dudu is relatively bright. Eat and spit it out, eat and spit it out. If necessary, compulsory measures must be taken. Dudu, take the medicine and all the bugs will stay away. Although Mango is full of unkindness, but Lingya still cooperated with him to take the medicine. Dugong is the founder of our courtyard. The idea is to set an example for our fur children. Ling Bai is one of the naughty and lively characters in the courtyard. Facing medication and our struggle, faced with taking medicine and our resistance. Yuan Bao is the one who cooks the meals in the courtyard. When it comes to taking medicine, I am also very clear about it. Chong Chong is relatively timid, still strong in the face of taking medicine. We took a special approach. I also fought with it for a long time. Take all the medicine. 7-Up is very similar to our Mango. 7-Up is much more sensible than Mango. I swallowed all the medicine smoothly. Hedgehog, although we didn't spend much time together. But hedgehogs are more docile and obedient. Yuan Yuan is much more obedient than Gwegwe. twin brothers have completely opposite personalities. Liangzi Courtyard is the smallest key protected object. The one with the strongest character. Lele is the most spoiled child in the courtyard, trying to win us over by acting cute and avoiding taking medicine. But we are not easy to please. Lele, you better take the medicine obediently. Corn has always been a relief for us. Fugue thought there was something delicious. He came over hopping and skipping. Eat it and swallow it down into your stomach. Look at you, you are pretending to be me. The thought of wealth and honor can bring us happiness. Fubao is very well behaved and sensible. Smart shell. Even if we feed it with our own hands, it will not be fooled. But we were still defeated by our shame. Mew Mew is the best and most obedient. Mew Mew is the most obedient. I'll get some more sausages. And then can't escape our routine. Take all the medicine obediently. Fat tiger. We have encountered a strong opponent. Lai Fu was very smart and ate all the ham sausage. He didn't take a single bite of the medicine. Well, I can only take compulsory measures against you as well. Ding Ding, who is invisible to our eyes, is very clear about cooking. Slower. This. The doctor said that it would take about 60 pills to defecate all the furry children in the yard. Judging from the current situation of the fur children, some furry kids need to be expelled a second or third time. 60 pills of medicine are still not enough. 60 pills of medicine are still far from enough. 60 pills of medicine are still not enough. As long as the fur kid gets better. No loose stools or blood in the stool. No matter how much more is needed, we will definitely find a way. As long as the fur kids are healthy and safe. It's all worth it. To prevent your furry children from continuing to be infected, carry out uninterrupted disinfection of the courtyard every day. Keep the environment clean. Provide a healthy and comfortable environment for furry children. I hope that our furry children can get rid of the trouble of parasites as soon as possible.